Hey guys, it is Ray here with you today. And today we are doing really classy but glamorous look. I've decided not to show it to you right away, to have a little secret, to have kind of a trick till the end of the video, so you enjoy it even more. Without further ado, let's rock that look. Our first step is going to be priming our eyes. For that purpose, I will use 24-hour Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. So for my main colors today, I'm using Morphe palette number 35W. It is really classy, but it has pretty much what we need. I am taking my Sonic Kashuk Universal Eyeshadow brush from Professional Collection. And I'm gonna dip it in this shade right here. Just with coating an entire lid with this shade, I'm creating a good blending base. Our basic shade is applied, and now it's time to switch the brush and go to the transition shade. For the brush, I'm using my Morphe 507. And for the transition, I will use this juicy, beautiful, peachy color. I'm going to apply it to the outer crease and try to blend it just very slightly toward the nose. And right now, this shade. Switch to the darker shade. We're still using the same Morphe 507 brush. With the same shade and the same brush, we're doing the outer corners of our eyes. To me, something is missing here, so we're gonna get the lightest shade of a palette and put it in the middle of the eye. This one right here. For the lower lash line, I will be using my flat brush by Sephora, and I will go for this shade. So the makeup is pretty much done. However, I don't want to leave it like this today. I want to add some little extra. So of course I will be adding glitters in the middle of the eye, in the center of the upper lid. For that, I will use my NYX glitter primer base and my MAC glitters, which reflects gold. Right now I'm applying the primer for the glitters on the back of my hand. And we are applying glitters right in the center of the eye. Now it's time for a liner. For liner, I'm using Wet n Wild ProLine felt tip eyeliner in brown, dark brown. For concealer, I'm using Fit Me by Maybelline. My shade is Fair. I want to do some powder to set my concealer under the eyes and the nose and the possible creasing places. I'm gonna use my MAC Select Sheer Powder in shade NW15. And I will apply it with my MAC 110 brush. Let's do a little contour. I will use my Real Techniques 100 brush and my Sculpted Face by IT Cosmetics. I'm grabbing my MAC 224 brush and let's contour that nose. Let's do a bit of blush. For blush today I'm using my MAC Cubic and IT Cosmetics Flawless Blush Brush 227. To finish our eyes, let's use the Khol. I'm using MAC Fascinating. Now I will curl my lashes. For eyebrows, today I want to use something new. It is NYX Build 'em Up Powder Brow Filler. The shade is Brunette. My first impression about this product is that hardly I will use it on its own and not in this shade because it is so yellow on me. It doesn't give any shape to the brows or anything. Maybe it is good for filling in, but not on its own for sure. So I will jump to my trusted Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz medium brown. Bad Girl Band by Benefit. Let's get our MAC 136 brush and NYX Love You So Mochi. It is a highlighter, of course. And I'm gonna be using the gold one. So for the lips today, I'm gonna use my favorite Limited de Beauté in shade Red Velvet. Yes, a fancy lipstick makes everything better. I thought this one is fancy, the one I'm using right now. The most expensive lipstick what exists right now costs $62,000 and it is brand Guerlain. The name of the lipstick is Kiss Kiss Diamond and Gold. And to mention Guerlain, the brand, it is not only famous for it is the most expensive in the world lipstick, but for being the favorite brand of Marilyn Monroe. She used their lipstick all the time in a shade 522 and never betrayed it to anything else. Not to mention even the other fact that the lip color in a tube, in a metal tube, was invented and presented by this company. That is so amazing. Here we are at the end of this video. It was an adventure for me creating this look here, and I hope you enjoyed it and it was very entertaining. Put the thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget about that notification bell. So see you then.